Welcome to another tutorial in Java. In this tutorial, we are going to use the FileWriter class to write a string into the file. So let's get started. Create a new Java class. FileWriter example and select the public static void main checkbox and click on finish. To work with FileWriter, we need to import FileWriter class and IO exception class. Now we are going to create the object of FileWriter. So this is the name of our file, and to write a text, writer.write. So it is throwing an exception. We need to wrap this into the try and catch block. So in case of error, it is going to throw the error. And finally, writer.close. To run this program, right click and run as Java. So it is executed, and I'll refresh. So you can see hello world file, data1 file is there, and hello world is written here. If you want to append, then you need to pass true parameter. Now if we run, then this line will be appended to the file. So you can see it is appended here. To append a new line character, I need to enter /n. This is going to be line 3. So line 3 is added here. Now I will write the line 4. Now you can see the line 4 is added here. So this way you can use the FileWriter class. Now I will show you how you can use the try with resources for this program. Try and inside try I can add this code. Now there is no need to close the file. Try with resources block is good, and it ensures that the resources are closed, ensures the file is closed automatically. Now I will write the line 5. So here line 5 is added. So FileWriter is class into the java.io package, and it writes text to character files using a default buffer size. Encoding from the characters to byte uses either a specific char set or the platform's default char set. So we can use the FileWriter to write the text file to a file. We can also create a new file and then delete the content and add it. And if there is a requirement to append, then you can pass the second parameter as true, and the FileWriter will. And if there is a requirement to append the data, then you can pass the true as second parameter, and in this case the FileWriter will open the file and start writing at the end of the file. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.